is a platform designed to help you build automation flows or workflows for your clients, allowing them to handle bulk processes automatically. First, let's navigate to the Automation tab on the left sidebar. From there, you'll see Workflows and Overview. The Overview section gives you a general look at your operations, while the Workflows section is where the magic happens. This is where we actually build the step-by-step processes. There are two ways to create a workflow. The most recent and convenient method is using AI. You simply write a prompt describing what you want, for example, lead nurturing, form automation, or appointment email campaign. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the AI can build a corresponding workflow for you. However, keep in mind there might be some minor adjustments needed. The second way is to create a workflow manually. You have two options here. You can either build it entirely from scratch or choose from our library of templates. We have several ready-to-use templates for things like onboarding, communication, or appointment booking, depending on your needs. Let's take a look at a practical example, like an event for LTCG. We want a simple flow. When a customer signs up via a Google form or a MinAI form, they receive an immediate confirmation email. In this case, our trigger will be form submitted. Next, we filter for the specific form we're using and save it. For these new registrants, we'll want to add a step to Add Tag. Just select the tag you want to apply so you can categorize these leads easily. After that, we'll add the Send Email action for the confirmation. Here, you can fill in the sender's name, subject, and content. You can even send a test email to make sure everything looks perfect before saving the action. Now, let's look at the Settings tab. Here you can allow multiple re-enrollments if you want customers to be able to join the flow more than once. You can also set the specific time zone and default sender details for the workflow. Over here is the execution log. This is where the system records every task the workflow has performed. If you see finished, it means the workflow ran smoothly for that contact. Don't forget, every time you finish building or editing, you must hit save and then publish. Only then will your workflow start running automatically. Now, let's look at a more complex example. An automated email response for Google reviews. The trigger here is New Review Received. We can set a filter so that if a customer leaves, say, a 5-star review, the system automatically triggers a thank you email. But what if they aren't in your CRM yet? We can add a step to search for the contact using their Google email. Then we use an if-else logic step. If the contact is found the Yes branch, we simply add a review tag to their profile. This helps us avoid sending them please review us emails in the future. If the contact is not found, the No branch, the workflow will automatically create a new contact with the information provided and then add the reviewed tag. And that's a quick look at how you can build powerful automations. With the help of AI and these detailed steps, creating professional automated workflows is easier than ever. Good luck.